igniting a passion for firefighting. The Beaufort Royal Fire Department is working to inspire the next generation of first responders through its hands-on summer program, Sparking Embers Girls Empowerment Fire Boot Camp. The 4-day experience focuses on building leadership, confidence, and real-world skills, all while giving young women a first-hand look at what it takes to be a firefighter.
This program was developed to give exposure to younger females who are interested in the fire service so that they can know I'm capable of doing it, and so if they have that interest, they can just go for it. When I was younger, there weren't many females in the fire service, but I did have that one, and knowing that she could do it was what made me feel like, yes, I want this, and I know I can, I'm capable.
During the camp, students are taking part in hands-on training, learning about the gear firefighters wear, and getting to try it on.
It was pretty hard because they're very heavy, a lot heavier than I thought they were going to be, but it wasn't too bad. I just don't think I could wear it for as long as they have to. Actually, I feel like it was lighter than I expected it to be, which sounds weird, but I liked how they were talking about how to make it tighter on your waist, that way it holds most of the weight, because you're wearing it for so long and waiting to go into a fire for hours on end. So just kind of like that endurance piece is definitely really cool, how they like make different techniques and stuff like that.
They're putting their strength to the test, learning how to pull rescue dummies.
We learned with the dummy safe ways to drag people out of house fires and how to keep them safe and protect them.
Students are also getting a closer look at EMS by touring an ambulance and learning about life-saving equipment used in the field.
I really liked how they try to make every ambulance kind of similar or almost identical, so that way if you're like from a different unit or from a different district, that it's easier to help like save a life, or it's quicker to do that.
Throughout the camp, the girls are being introduced to different aspects of a firefighting career.
Our job requires us to respond to a variety of different calls. It's one of the things that I love about it, so I think it's important to show that we can go to medical calls, so we show them the medical equipment. We go to car wrecks, so we show them the jaws of life, the different things that we use. So it's important that they know like we don't just go to fires every day.
These activities are more than just about training. They're about showing these young women what they're capable of.
I hope that these girls see that whatever profession they choose when they get older, not just firefighting, that they can do it and that they're needed in every profession, that they can do anything that they set their mind to, and that nothing should hold them back. So that's what we're trying to teach them here.
Each year, the actual interest in becoming a firefighter has grown, so that is great for me. It's just seeing the passion in them and like the spark of joy when they learn a new skill or something that's exciting. Whatever part of it is exciting to them is exciting to me because I get to do it all the time.
The camp is helping students gain confidence, recognize their strengths, and begin to consider future careers as firefighters.
I'm really interested in helping people. Like, it's always been a passion of mine. I'm really a caring person, so I feel like it would be a really good career for me. It's definitely inspired me, especially all the women that are in here kind of like trailblazing, since we don't have a lot. So I think it's really cool that they're showing us the ropes and stuff, and they're always really encouraging, and I think it's really cool. It's definitely a career I'm thinking about.
This is the 3rd year the Beaufort Royal Fire Department has hosted the summer camp. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.